ngDesk makes it easy to import data records from CSV files into your account. In this video, you will learn how to import data from a CSV file into your ngDesk modules. As an example, you have a file with a list of employees and their contact information that you want to import into your employee module. To bulk import data into modules, navigate to and select Company Settings from the sidebar, and under Module Settings, select Import CSV File. Then select the module from the drop-down list that you are importing data to. Click Choose File and select the CSV file you want to import, then click Import. Next, you must map the data from your file to the relevant module fields. On the left, you can see the column headers from your CSV file, and you must select the relevant module field for each. Once you have finished mapping your data to the required fields, click Import. The data from your file will be imported to the selected module. If you have any questions, please contact ngDesk support.